Welcome back, my student. Once again, today we will learn at standard Androcles and the Lion, this story, and their English workshop. What is the English workshop? First, look at this. The question number first. Question number first is the match the phrases in column A with their meaning in column B. Look at this column A and column B. First one, looking out for. What is the meaning of looking out for? So, what will be the answer? Looking out for anger reduce? No. Return slowly? No. Trying to search for? Filled with soft feeling? Try to be brave in front of each other? No. So looking out for it is the trying to search for. Okay. Second, face to face. What is the face to face? Face to face is a right answer will be in front of each other. Huh? This is one side of phrases and one side of their meaning. So what is third? Summon up courage. Summon up courage. What will be? Try to be brave. Courage karna. Brave. है ना? Try to be brave. Rage melted. Rage melted. What is the answer? Anger reduced. Melt. What is the melt? Melt. पिघलना जिसको हम कहते हैं और reduce का मतलब भी होता है कम करना. तो दोनों का मीनिंग देखो मिलता जुलता है. Be moved by. Be moved by. What is the actual meaning of moved by? Look at this. Filled with soft feeling. Huh? Moved by soft feeling. So, question number second. Read the following sentences from the story. First one. They were bound by law to obey their master. The kind man bound up the lion injured paw. The lion bounded towards Androcles again. The words bound carries three different meanings in each of the sentences. Look at this. Bound, bound up, bounded towards. So bound words carries three times. So roots forward, forced to follow, and tied up. There are three meanings of bound. Okay. So which the particular meaning for first, second, and third? What will we do? Put the correct letter ABC in the boxes. ABC. So which will be boxes proper with the proper according to the proper meaning. Now, what is the C? C. Then translate these three word translate in your mother tongue. What medium? Your medium of learning. We learn in Hindi medium. So you translate in the words in the sentences of these sentences with Hindi. Okay. So look at this first. They were bound by law to obey their master. Look at this bound by law मतलब कहीं ना कहीं वो नियमों में बंधा हुआ है. Okay. तो what will be the right answer? Tied up. So C will be first. क्या हो जाएगा उसका मीनिंग? वह अपने मालिकों के नियमों में बंधा हुआ है. हाँ? है कि नहीं? वही आएगा कि नहीं? बिल्कुल. दूसरा अपने नियमों का पालन अपने मालिकों का नियमों का पालन बंधन कारक होता है ऐसा आएगा उसका. द काइंड मैन बाउंड अप द लायंस इंजर्ड पॉ. अब इंजर्ड पॉ उसके जो तलवे हैं उसके, लॉयन के। तो काइंड में नहीं, मतलब भला आदमी जो है उसके बाउंड अप, मतलब उसको क्या करेगा वो, फूड्स, क्या करेगा उसको वो, सॉरी 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 सॉरी, गलती हो गई। दे वेयर बाउंड बाय लॉ, बाउंड बाय लॉ मतलब फोर्स टू फॉलो, लॉ को जो हमेशा क्या करना पड़ता है, हमेशा नियमों का पालन करना पड़ता है। इसलिए पहले में जो आएगा बी, और द काइंड मैन बाउंड अप लायंस इंजर्ड पॉ, मतलब उसको बांधना है। तो वो क्या करता था, उसके एक दयालु आदमी जो है, एक भला आदमी जो है, वह उसके किसके, शेर के पंजों को जोरों से बांध दिया, अच्छे से बांध दिया, है ना। क्या बचा फिर, रस्ट फॉरवर्ड, द लायन बाउंडेड टूवर्ड्स एंड्रोकुलिस अगेन, रस्ट फॉरवर्ड। क्या हुआ, उसने उसने फिर से उसके तरफ उड़ी मारी या झेप, रस्ट फॉरवर्ड मतलब उसके तरफ झपट्टा मारा, रस्ट फॉरवर्ड। तो तीसरे के लिए क्या आएगा, ए। इनके मीनिंग्स भी मैंने अभी हिंदी में बता दिए, तीनों के मीनिंग्स यहाँ आपको लिखना है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2A, फाइंड फ्रॉम द स्टोरी द एंटोनिम्स, मीन्स अपोजिट वर्ड्स, विरुद्धार्थी शब्द हम जिसको कहते हैं, अपोजिट वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग। उस ये जो सारे वर्ड्स के अपोजिट वर्ड्स जो है आपको स्टोरी के अंदर ही मिलेंगे। इसीलिए इसके पहले मैंने आपको देखो व्हाट्सएप पे एक यूट्यूब का लिंक भेजा था, वो एंड्रोकुलिस एंड द लायन के लिए, हिंदी के लिए अच्छी स्टोरी थी, आपको उसको पढ़ना, देख करके पढ़ना चाहिए था। नहीं पढ़े होंगे तो वापस आप उसको वीडियो को देख करके अच्छे से समझ लीजिएगा, उसके बाद आपको आसानी से मिल जाएंगे। फिर भी मैं बता ही दे रहा हूँ। लुक एट दिस काइंड, काइंड का मतलब होता है दयालु जो होता है ना उसका, तो दयालु जो क्रूर हो जाएगा तो क्रूरल आएगा इसका, क्रूअल, क्रूअल आएगा, CRUEL, क्रूअल। सेकंड, पुअर, गरीब है, तो उसका रिच भी होता है ना, रिच होता है, बट अगर वो रिच वर्ड्स आपके स्टोरी में होगा तो ही लिखना। अगर उसके बदले में अगर कोई दूसरा वर्ड होगा जैसे वेल्दी, रिच, है ना, तो वेल्दी लिख सकते हो इस तरह से। तीसरा, स्लेव, स्लेव का क्या आएगा, मास्टर, हाई, लॉ, लो सॉरी, लॉ नहीं, लो, पनिशमेंट, पनिशमेंट का रिवार्ड आ जाएगा, पनिशमेंट, रिवार्ड, अनबाउंड, बाउंड, टेंडर, थाउ, हैप्पी, अनहैप्पी होता है, बट अगर अनहैप्पी अगर आपको वहां पर नहीं मिलेगा समझो, तो क्या जो आपको मिलेगा वो डिसमैन, है ना। तो इस तरह से आपको ये अपोजिट वर्ड्स लिखने हैं आपको। फाइंड फ्रॉम द स्टोरी 5 words that describe the sounds made by the lion। ऐसे 5 आवाज आपको स्टोरी से निकालने हैं, वर्ड्स निकालने हैं जो शेर निकालता हो। मैं एग्जांपल के लिए बता रहा हूं, जैसे roaring, growling, like this। Write the reactions that followed each of the actions given below। इन एक्शंस के आपको यहां रिएक्शंस लिखने हैं, ओके। एंड्रोक्लिस डिड नॉट लाइक हिज क्रूअल मास्टर, एंड्रोक्लिस did not like his cruel master. So, what is the answer? Androcules did not like his cruel masters, है ना। Androcules नहीं पास, did not like. So, what will the answer? He felt death was better than serving such master, and he escaped from the clothes of his cruel, क्रूअल, क्यूरल नहीं सॉरी, क्यूरल। आप वीडियो ध्यान से देखेंगे, ध्यान से सुनेंगे, तभी आपको इसके आंसर समझ में आएंगे, ओके। द लायन लुक्ड एट एंड्रोक्लिस piteously। So, what is the meaning? What is the reaction? Androcles passed, and then he moved very continuously toward the lion, saw that the lions. Okay. Third, Androcles bended the lion's injured paw. Androcles bended the lion's injured paw. So the lion liked his arm as it so so cortable cortable chest, subscribed and wonders Androcles. Wonders Androcles. Okay. A hungry, ferocious lion was released into the arena. अगर कोई भूखे लायंस को छोड़ दिया जाए ऐसे ही तो क्या होगा, क्या रिएक्शन होगा? So Androcles into the loss filled with the fear, but he showed he saw not afraid. है ना? The lion reached Androcles' end. The lion reached Androcles' end. Then it moves slowly towards all its rage. She seemed to have mated, and it recognized its afraid. The emperor asked Androcles what other rewards he would like. So, क्या आएगा उसका आंसर? They applied that he didn't want anything for himself, but he wanted the lion to be set free too. Okay, like this. And after that, question number 4, write in your one words 3 to 4 sentences about each of the following. ओके, क्या है यहाँ पर? आपको 3 से 4 शब्द, वन वर्ड्स, हाँ, राइट इन योर वन वर्ड्स 3 to 4 sentences about each of the following. The condition of slaves in एंशियंट रोम. एंशियंट रोम क्या लिख पाओगे आप यहाँ पर? जैसे कि स्लेवरी इन एंशियंट रोम played an important role in society and the economy. Besides mutual labor, slaves performed many domestic service. It might be employed at high sky light jobs, accountants and physics, whatever. Okay. Qualities of Androcles. Qualities of Androcles. Androcles was a blind man. He was gentle and creditile, but unfortunately, he was slave being prescribed of mastery clothes and hides he in self force. Even wild animal can be our friends. Look at this. What is the even wild animals can be our friends? Yes, even wild animals can be our friends because they have also feelings and emotions. We help them, definitely they will not be cruel with us. Okay? Now, language study. What will be next? Narrate your class any short story about kindness to animals. Second, how animals can be kind to humans. Write down the story in your notebook. Give in a title of your own. Okay? मतलब एक दयालु कोई काइंडनेस, एनिमल जानवर को नहीं, कोई दयालुपन जानवर का कोई भी है ना, एंड एनिमल्स कैन बी काइंड टू ह्यूमन, और जानवरों में भी मानवता हो सकती है। इस तरह से कोई एक स्टोरी आप आपको बता सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक दिस, मैं आपको एक स्टोरी बता रहा हूँ लाइक दिस, हाँ, नॉट कॉपीज, लाइक दिस यू कैन फॉर्म वन शॉर्ट स्टोरी एंड डाउन द, ओके। First of all, listen carefully. Moti was dog living with Raghu's family. It was kind and loving to all the family members. One day, Raghu's wife was working in a back, backward, and Moti was sitting nearly and watching over her child in the cradle. When Raghu come back from his work, he saw the baby's cradle turned upside down, the blood everywhere. He saw Moti lying accurately with quality with the blood on his mouth and body. He got so angry that he picked up an axe and his Moti, the poor faithful dog, tried out in pain and died. So look at this. ओके, इस तरह से आप कोई भी स्टोरी आप बना करके भेज सकते हो। इस स्टोरी का नाम क्या हो सकता है, जैसे भी मैंने बताया उसका फेथफुल डॉग, फेथफुल है ना, वैसे ही आपको एक स्टोरी इसकी कोई भी एक छोटी सी शॉर्ट स्टोरी आपको लिखनी है। नाउ लुक एट दिस, अब आ जाते हैं लैंग्वेज स्टडी के ऊपर। यहाँ आज का टॉपिक है आपका ऑक्सिलरीज वर्ब। ऑक्सिलरीज वर्ब वी कैन नो also helping verbs, okay. Look at this, verbs that help to from tense, modes and voice are called auxiliaries helping verbs. For example, be, can, may, will, etc. The three most common auxiliaries verbs which can stand alone in the sentences are forms of be, do and have. Most, they are called primary auxiliaries, okay. For example, C is a student of class 8. He does his work well. I have a cold. मुझे सर्दी है, वह अपना काम अच्छे से करती है ना। He does. She is a student of class, वह 8वीं की कक्षा छात्रा है। Forms of be. What is the be? Look at these auxiliary verbs, be, do and have. Three types, okay? So forms of be. What is the meanings of the forms of be auxiliaries? Be means am, is, are, was, were, will, shall be. Will be and shall be. You can know the, if you know the tense, you understand. Look at this. Am, is, are, was, were, will and shall will be. Will be, shall be. These are both are is continuous form, okay. Am, is, are is a present continuous form, was and were is a past continuous forms, and will be and shall be is a future continuous form, okay. Second one, forms do. Look at this, do does did, do does did, huh? Do में do does and did, do does did, do present, did past and does is a future. Forms of have, this already is the complete, so present perfect, past perfect and future perfects also. Have, has and had. Have, has is a mostly used on present tense, and had also used in present tense, sorry, past tense, okay. There are other auxiliaries verbs which do not stand alone in the sentence. The accompaniment action verbs. Action verbs, these are called modal auxiliaries verbs. Action verbs are called modal auxiliaries verbs, models. They are can, could, shall, should, will, would, must, may, might, need, ought to. Okay. For example, he can work hard. वह काम कर सकता है. He will work hard. वह काम करेगा. He must work hard. वह definitely करेगा. Okay. Underline the auxiliaries verbs. In these auxiliaries verbs, you can underline the auxiliaries verb in the following sentences. What will be your homework? Your homework will be underline the auxiliaries verbs in the following sentences. Look at this first. We have a holiday tomorrow. Look at this. Have. We have. Underline the words. Underline the words. Okay? Have. Second one. Rina is injured badly. Look at this. Is. Huh? You must wear clean clothes. Look at this. Must. Okay? So, student, complete the English workshop for Endocles and the Lion and send me in WhatsApp. I will check this and send after that. Okay? If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you.